came in the mentality of I didn't think I was going to like it. I didn't have any experience of manufacturing processes, or CNC specifically before coming into the apprenticeship. It's always that risk that you take when you start something brand new, and I had that coming in. First week, I still had a little bit of that mentality, but after the second week, I was already, I thought they had a great facility, they had great people that worked here, I enjoyed the environment, the team is spectacular. I couldn't imagine myself on a better team. It's changed my mind on so many things. Even if you come in and try something new, it's still, it just, the people you work with and, how they hold together the shop out there, it's amazing. IQ has taught me everything in the field. I came from retail, so I, came in barely understanding how to swing a hammer and, how to use a drill, and I feel like I have learned so much since I've been here, and just how to use it, how I can use it in my everyday life. I think the most valuable thing is that there's nothing that I can't do out there. They took me in, and when I first started, there were things that they were doing that I was impressed with, or that I said, wow, that looks like something that only maybe somebody who's been here for a long time can do. And then next thing you know, a month later, I'm in their exact same position doing exactly what they were doing. There's no place that I can't go here. The more time you put into something, the better you can get at it, just with anything that you do. So the more time I spend here, the more things I learn, the more processes that I get the hang of, and that I can, before I'd go over there to a machine and try and maybe start a job on it, and it would take me hours to try and figure that out. I mean, now it's like I've only been here 5 months, and I could hop on a machine and do it in a quarter of that time, just because you learn processes more and more. So it just seems like the more time that I put in, the easier everything gets. I think that's kind of how I will overcome it. It's just by, showing up every day, trying to do my best job that, I can do. I'm in my first class right now. It's the first time I've ever had to work a full-time job and have a classwork, and it's a lot less demanding than being full-time in school. I come to work, and everything I do is here, and then school is after work or outside of work. So it's pretty easy balancing it. I don't seem to struggle, and I don't think anyone would struggle with that amount of coursework that they give you. I see myself completing the apprenticeship in here and in classwork, and working for the company that has built me up from barely being able to swing a hammer. So.